this is pretty much it. This is going to be the last bit. This aperture is a bit awkward to do. Remember, it's very damaged. So what I've got to do is work this through. This edge, I've got to tip that down there. And that's what the bodywork effectively attaches to, the aluminium bodywork at the end of the job. Well, end of the job, you know what I mean. That's how the rear clip goes on. So I've got to get this in the right place and then turn that edge down, which is why it's a bit awkward. But I think a lot of this is why they have this sort of raw edge on here, because I think you can file that to suit to what you want, which is why I think these are so unique to each body and don't fit another car. So that's it. So yeah, just got to, you know, get a bit of this sort of sorted out here and get that through there, but it's looking good. That's going to sit well, I think. I reckon that's going to be okay. So you can see what we're trying to do. But I had to make that whole piece up because it was so damaged to the other one, you know, the one that was on it from this accident, or from one of the accidents. But yeah, that's sorted. And then around the front here, I put the little snorkel on. Come in number 5, your time is up. So yeah, that's an air vent thing, that's an air duct. That basically goes, your air goes in there, fresh air. And then you have a pipe, sort of a hose thing goes through here, goes through there, and then it joins the little bit in the bulkhead here and blows it up your kilt. Keep you cold. Or cool. Lately it'd keep you cold, wouldn't it? Then this thing here, it's dark now and you can't see. But I've basically done a new one of them. You can see why. Bit peppered, isn't it? So I made one of them. I made a new one of them. Repaired that one. And let that piece in. So that's that. So if you imagine, that's where the valance will roll round onto, won't it, and go into there. So that's looking good, isn't it? All right, that's all good. So, going to be night shift, I think, for me. Get this bit done. Get that sorted before I go home. But, you know, shouldn't take too long, should it? He says.